Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a beautiful day. This week I thought that I can take you guys along with me as I do my monthly reset routine. I'm positive it's gonna be a fun video. So as I try to plan out this video, I realized that there are three main steps in my reset routine. One is cleaning, organizing my space. Before I do anything else, you know my motto. I mean, clear space, clear mind. So first I will start out by giving my space a quick tidy up, and then I do my monthly journal setup, and this includes so much planning, goal setting, maybe changing my routines if I want to, and setting my monthly goals, any monthly challenges that I want to take on, and creating my content calendar. So there's going to be a lot to include. Lastly, I like to finish it off with some sort of self-care, because as I reset my mind, I also want to reset like my body, and I just want to take good care of it. So yeah. Now let's get started with the cleaning. So I have my coffee over here as well as my daily planner. The way I like to structure my months is that I start by drawing a monthly calendar. I just love to see the whole month at a glance. And the next thing is that I note which books that I want to complete reading, and then my workout program, tasks, monthly goals, as always, habit tracker only if I feel like, and then I just write down days and my weekly goals section. That's what I meant. So let's get on to it. Alright, so since I'm done with my monthly journal setup, let's take a quick tour. As you can see, I use my calendar mainly for the content that I will publish during the month, and if there's anything else that happens and I need to be informed about them, like a deadline or anything else, I also note them. Like this one, for example, this is about a book that I need to give back. Moving on to the next page, everything is just so simple, so minimal, because I don't like to make planning overcomplicated. That way I just get like distracted and I don't feel productive. So I only write down the things that I need to remember, that I need to know. So everything is just gonna go according to my plan. So first thing is the books that I aim to finish this month and the workout program that I will follow. I like to update this every month because it's fun. And here are some monthly goals that I have. Tasks. Basically, this is my to-do list, but the monthly version. And I also decided to create a to-buy list since I just felt like I need one. And here, this page is just for random notes. And this is the last section where I write down the days to create my to-do list down under them. And I just loved writing down a weekly goals section, and I like to limit it with 3 at most. That way I just realized that I can have more control over my week and I feel more productive, I guess. So this is how I like to do. And fingers crossed, I'll be able to accomplish all my monthly goals for this month. Also, as an extra, starting from this month, I decided to set up monthly challenges for myself. Maybe you've seen in my monthly goals section. This month is gonna be a wake up early challenge because my sleep schedule right now is totally messed up and I just want to fix it ASAP. And my idea around it is that I want to vlog this process and I want to do this challenge with you guys so I can keep myself more accountable. I can keep the promise that I made to myself. So if you're interested in a video like that, stay tuned because it will be up soon. Alright, monthly planning is done. Next, and the last step of this monthly reset routine is gonna be self-care. And this is something that I like to try out new things every single month. And this month I thought that I can do a deep cleanse to my face. This time I decided on doing Fidi method. To simply put, Fidi method is an effective way to cleanse all your pores, and it has 3 steps if I'm right. So you start by applying a BHA product and you let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, I guess, and then you apply a clay mask and you let it sit and let it dry, and then lastly you apply your oil-based cleanser. They say it's an amazing technique for especially oily skins, so I'm really excited to try. I've actually tried it once but I haven't seen effective results, but let's try it once again. So since I realized that I'm out of my BHA serum, I decided to use some lemon juice mixed with some water, because in the recipe it says you need to apply salicylic acid to your face, not particularly BHA. So I thought that lemon will be a great option. Now I'll wait for about 15 minutes to let it dry, and then we're gonna apply our clay mask. Clay mask is done, and it's definitely drying up more fast than I've ever thought, so we shall see the result. Third and last step is oil-based cleanser, so let's go. Skin already feels super duper clean, and this time we're gonna wait for 20 minutes. I don't know if this will be a bit of exaggeration, but my face right now definitely feels like a baby skin. I think I will wrap up this monthly reset video here. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you want to see more reset routine videos like this, or a reset day in my life. That's another idea in my mind. So love you all, see you in the next one. Bye.